She already knows. See, there's nothing random about this. She knew it went left. Good. So we noticed that there's a little scent pool around the stairs now for that glove, for the turn up the stairs. So why is she running to the shade? That's right, the scent is migrating. See what you're gonna be an expert. Look at her. How beautiful was that? Good. So now you stop on the road and let her find that scuff. She got it. Good. So you might need to circle around this, or oh, she's got it. Look at that. Perfect, Lisa. See, it starts coming together on these longer tracks, circling, line handling. Same with here. You'll hold back and let her find it. It goes a bit to the right. That's okay. So as soon as she steps off here, step off with her. It's really important there. Some hesitate to go on hard surface. She got it. So now, this is a nice long veg stretch. And if you feel like it, you can give out more line. Just experiment. Article coming up. Good. So then we'll hold back here like the Dick Stoll method for her to go between those two trees. A little tension, yeah, shorten up and wait for her to go dive through them. Almost. I know, it's okay. I know that. Hold back. Yes, perfect, Lisa. Actually, that went really well. Article. And you keep going to the parking lot and have a left. Yep. So she may need a circle on the parking lot once you get there.
Oh, we're going to go into the parking lot.
Yep, go in. And she knows it goes left, but let's do a circle. Ooh, another one. So on the third one, do it one more time and then look at me, come side step. Side step. There. Just because that there might be too much turbulence there now. Perfect.